Hong Kong attracts chefs and restaurateurs from all over the world and boasts the most restaurants per capita in Asia. The city has a rich gastronomic landscape with authentic Chinese and global cuisines, rustic local noodle joints, fine dining, hipster microbreweries, and healthy vegan cafés. Hong Kong's above-ground transport is running into major challenges. The key issues are increasing traffic congestion, decreasing convenience, and worsening roadside air pollution. Each of these issues must be resolved for Hong Kong to maintain its competitiveness. There are plenty of ways to get around Hong Kong, whether it's by taxi, ferry, rail, bus, or tram. The city claims one of the world's safest, most efficient and frequent public transport systems, and there are multiple convenient payment methods in the form of cash, Octopus Card, and e-wallet. The continuous growth of private cars, PCs, has been a major contributing factor to road traffic congestion. In fact, PCs account for as high as 70% of the total number of vehicles. Over the 10-year period from 2010 to 2020, the number of licensed PCs increased by about 38% from 415,000 to 573,000. The best way to get around Hong Kong is the Mass Transit Railway, MTR. Ideally, you'll use a combination of the MTR and your own 2 feet to get places quickly and cheaply.